Hi everyone, I'm Lulu from Ragic. In this video today, I want to share with you how to use barcodes to improve the efficiency of inventory management. Have you noticed how troublesome it can be to enter product numbers? They often involve long and complicated string of text. And in order to avoid any input errors, you take more time in entering the product numbers, double-checking your data entry to ensure that you've entered everything correctly. The more product items you have to enter, the more time-consuming and troublesome this whole process becomes. Turning these product numbers into barcodes can significantly speed up the process. When you scan the barcode, the product number is automatically entered into the system. Not only does this improve overall efficiency, it also reduces errors caused by manual input. In Ragic, we support barcode scanning to quickly input data such as product numbers. If you already have a product or inventory sheet, you can set up the corresponding product barcodes. Before we get into it, let me first introduce Ragic and the benefit of using Ragic for barcode and inventory management. Ragic is an intuitive, easy to self-learn web-based platform that empowers users to design database application using a spreadsheet-style interface without needing a single line of code. One of Ragic's unique features includes the barcode field, which enable users to generate barcodes from their data. The platform also includes a label makers that let you easily print the barcodes you've created on Ragic. For scanning barcodes, the Ragic mobile app can also be used to scan and enter data into the system. So you don't need to buy a barcode scanner in case you don't already have one. Now let me show you how to use the inventory management template on Ragic to generate barcodes and quickly enter data through barcode scanning. The inventory management sheet demonstrated in this video is a sheet I have used in a previous tutorial video. However, if you don't already have a similar sheet, I have prepared a sample data set that you can use and try it out. After watching this video and gaining some ideas, you can also register an account and create your own data sheet. Now let's dive into generating barcodes on Ragic. In order to make barcodes on Ragic, you must first have a product or inventory sheet with all the product information. If you don't have any product information yet, you can create them through the Add New button on the upper left corner of your screen. If you already have a spreadsheet with the product information, you can also import this information into Ragic. Next, we select Change Design and find the blank space in the product sheet for our barcode field. Select the barcode format you need, then use the formula to make this barcode field equal to your product number. Click Save. Finally, remember to trigger formula recalculation and exit the design mode to check whether the barcode field appears as expected. Once you have created the barcodes, you can then use a label maker to print them out. Simply click on Report on the upper right corner next to the Change Design button. Select Label Maker and adjust the barcode format by adding the information you wish to display. For example, if you like to see the product name together with a barcode, you can easily add a field data with a plus sign. If you can't see the field information you added, it may be because of the barcode length, width, and the height settings. Simply increase them and the information should appear. By the way, if you have label stickers like this, make sure to adjust the barcode dimension to fit your label size. You may need to test printing a few times to make sure they align correctly. If you have a label printer, you will need to check the format required to print the labels first. After exporting the data in a specific format, import it into your label machine and print it. This is the barcode we printed using a label machine. If you already have a custom layout and want your label layout to be in accordance with your design, or if you like to add additional patterns to your label, it might be better to use a label printer. If you want to print a large amount of barcode labels in one go and in the same order every time, then printing on label sticker with our label maker is the way to go. After that, you can simply choose to scan the barcode every time you need to enter a product number. We will demonstrate this using the Ragic app. Let's say we want to quickly enter the product code in our delivery note. In our delivery note sheet, there is a scan barcode symbol that lets you enter data by scanning. Select this and you will enter the barcode scanning screen. You can then scan the product barcode to be shipped, fill in the rest of the details, save, then click on the Deliver Action button. You might be wondering whether you can use a barcode scanner instead of Ragic app. And the answer is yes, you can. You can use barcode scanner and RFID readers to scan and enter data into Ragic. Please refer to this article to learn more. Finally, I would like to add a small tip. When printing barcodes, what if we only want to print the new barcodes that have been recently added, not the barcodes that we have already printed? The fastest way is to add the creation date field to your product or inventory sheet. Select the time range of the product labels you wish to print from the filter in the left sidebar. Then you can save this filter condition and apply the filter in your label maker before printing. So far, we have covered one of the applications of barcode for inventory management, typically for a single warehouse. If you are managing inventory in multiple warehouses and want to integrate barcode scanning, you can refer to this article for the suggested configurations. Aside from quickly entering data, you can also use the barcode scanning function to instantly locate an entry or sheet, or instantly trigger an action in Ragic. Integrating these functions with different situation needs can achieve various applications. If you want to know more about the different barcode applications, our Ragic Learning Center has a barcode category which contains many application materials. I will place the link in the video information column, and you can check them out to learn more. If you have some question about barcode applications, or you're not sure how to integrate barcodes into your business process to improve efficiency, feel free to leave a comment under this video. That's it for today. See you next time. Bye!